The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. 11th July is World Population Day. Population is important topic for a UPSC. In 1994, International Conference of Population and Development happened. This conference says every person has right to make informed choices of sexual and reproductive health, which is free from discrimination and violence. So let's critically analyze by referring to a new report, State of World Population Report 2025 by UNFPA. So, what is the condition of Indian adults? First point highlighted, 36% of Indian adults face unintended or unplanned pregnancies. And second point, 30% have unmet reproductive goals. According to the UNICEF, India has world's largest young population, which has the potential to boost the country's GDP by $1 trillion by 2030. To achieve right investment in education skills is necessary. So let's analyze. UNICEF report highlighted interesting data fact that each additional year of secondary education reduces the child marriage up to 6%. So we have Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Next, the child marriage in India is reduced by half since 2006 according to the National Health Survey, and government program like National Adolescent Health Program for reducing child marriage is play a critical role in it. And other projects like Adveka and Project Manjil are state government project. For further details, refer one page notes. Another article. This article talks about population decline. According to United Nations World Population Prospects, this says there is a population decline after a peak of 10.2 billion by 2080 approx, and though we have 8.2 billion population in 2024. So we see countries like Japan, Italy are aging, and countries like Republic of Korea is spending $200 billion to boost the population. So let's critically analyze what are the various reasons. Report The Real Fertility Crisis by UNFPA highlights that 40% people say they forego their desire to have children, and factors which influence people to have few children are 38% financial limitation, 22% housing, and 21% is unemployment, especially in case of India. And infertility is lowest, that is 13%. This one pager notes with micro themes available on my Telegram channel.